If someone you know is facing a DUI court case, a poorly written character reference letter can do more harm than good. A character reference letter for a DUI court case is not about arguing the legal case or excusing impaired driving. It is about helping the court understand the person beyond the incident, their character, accountability, rehabilitation efforts, and potential to move forward responsibly. But many people often write emotional opinions, minimize the seriousness of DUI charges, attack the legal system, or submit vague praise without giving real examples of the person's conduct, responsibility, or corrective actions. A strong letter must remain respectful, factual, balanced, and focused on character evidence. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. This is the first part of the letter, where you provide your personal contact details. For example, Michael Turner, 245 Cedar Avenue, Austin, Texas 78701. michael.turner@email.com. 512-55-53874. This identifies who is writing the reference letter. Use accurate contact information because the court may need to verify your statement. Date. After your contact information, include the date the letter is written. For example, May 31st, 2026. This documents when your reference letter was prepared. Always use the current date when submitting court-related correspondence. Recipient information. This section identifies the judge and court receiving the letter. For example, the Honorable Judge Emily Carter, Superior Court of Travis County, 1000 Guadalupe Street, Austin, Texas 78701. This ensures your letter is directed to the proper legal authority. Verify the judge's name, court name, and address carefully before submission. Subject line. The subject line immediately identifies the purpose of the letter. For example, subject. Character reference for Daniel Martinez. This helps the court quickly recognize what the letter concerns. Include the defendant's full name for clarity. Salutation. This is your formal greeting to the judge. For example, Dear Judge Carter. This keeps the tone respectful and professional. Use the judge's last name whenever possible. Opening paragraph. This paragraph introduces your purpose for writing. For example, I am writing this letter in support of Daniel Martinez in connection with their DUI court matter currently before the court. This immediately explains why the letter is being submitted. Be direct, respectful, and professional from the beginning. Relationship and background paragraph. In this section, you explain who you are and how you know the defendant. For example, my name is Michael Turner, and I have known Daniel Martinez for approximately 8 years as his co-worker and close friend. Through this relationship, I have had the opportunity to observe his character, work ethic, personal conduct, and family responsibilities. This establishes your credibility as a character witness. Clearly explain the relationship and length of time you have known the person. Character assessment paragraph. Here you describe the person's general character and conduct. For example, in my experience, Daniel Martinez has consistently demonstrated responsibility, honesty, professionalism, compassion, and dedication toward his personal and professional obligations. He is known as a dependable individual who cares deeply about his family, employment responsibilities, and community relationships. This provides the court with meaningful insight into the person's overall character. Use specific qualities that you have personally observed rather than generic compliments. Acknowledgement of the DUI matter paragraph. This is a very important section because it shows balance and credibility. For example, I understand the seriousness of the matter currently before the court, and I do not seek to minimize the significance of impaired driving or the importance of public safety. However, based on my knowledge of Daniel Martinez, I believe this incident does not represent his overall character or typical conduct. This shows respect for the legal process while still supporting the defendant. Never dismiss or downplay DUI allegations in a character reference letter. Corrective actions paragraph. In this section, you discuss steps taken since the incident. For example, since this incident, I have personally observed Daniel Martinez taking meaningful responsibility for his actions through alcohol education counseling, community service participation, and positive lifestyle changes. This demonstrates accountability and rehabilitation efforts. Mention observable corrective actions whenever possible. Rehabilitation and accountability paragraph. This paragraph highlights continued improvement. For example, additionally, Daniel Martinez has continued to demonstrate commitment to personal accountability, rehabilitation, and making positive decisions moving forward. This reinforces the idea that the individual is actively working toward change. Keep this section factual and based on real observations. Formal request to the court paragraph. Here, you respectfully ask the court to consider the information presented. For example, as someone who knows Daniel Martinez personally, I respectfully ask the court to consider his character, history, efforts toward accountability, and potential for rehabilitation when evaluating this matter. This clearly communicates your recommendation to the court. Remain respectful and avoid demanding a particular legal outcome. Closing paragraph. This is your final statement before ending the letter. For example, thank you for your time, consideration, and careful review of this letter. This shows professionalism and appreciation. Keep your closing respectful and concise. Closing and signature. Now conclude the letter. For example, respectfully submitted, Michael Turner. This serves as your formal sign-off. Use professional closing language appropriate for court correspondence. Relationship and contact details. Finally, include your identifying information. For example, relationship to defendant, co-worker. Occupation, project manager. Phone number 512-555-3874. Email address michael.turner@email.com. This gives the court additional context about who you are. Include complete and accurate information to strengthen the credibility of your reference. Before we wrap up, here are some very important overall tips you should always remember when writing a character reference letter for a DUI court case. Be honest, professional, and balanced. Do not argue the legal case, deny public safety concerns, or exaggerate claims about the defendant's character. Focus on first-hand observations, accountability, rehabilitation, and concrete examples that genuinely support your statement. So that's how you write a character reference letter for a DUI court case, step by step. As you can see, every section of this letter plays an important role in presenting a respectful, credible, and persuasive character reference to the court. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next video.